Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tricks for your CUBOT King Kong 7. So first, when you find the volume buttons, they are located actually on the left side. You can simply click on the volume up or volume down button and you can just take the photos. You can also click and hold this button, take a look, but there's no any function set up. So if you want to take series of the photos, you cannot. You can actually just take one of it once to take the photo. When you click on the screen, you can also adjust the brightness level manually to increase or decrease the brightness level, but you can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen twice. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do this by tapping on these presets, but also you can just click right here and move your finger. Let me show you. You can just zoom in like that with your 2 fingers by pinching the screen. When you open the settings, you can find other options, like for example, we can enable camera shutter delay between 10 or 2 seconds. And when you go for the extra modes, you can find, for example, the filters. As you can see, they will change the color and the temperature on the photos. And if you want to adjust other parameters manually, you have to open the Pro mode, where you can find automatic white balance, ISO level, and for example the exposure compensation. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.